Hey guys, Brian Bear Bull Traders here. It is Monday, July 23rd. Just going to go over a few trades I did in the room this morning. I only had three stocks on my watch list, and MU was one of them. And always watching Square. And so, first one was an opening range breakdown on MU. Andrew actually called it out in the room and said it was weak, and it looked like an opening range breakdown. So I noticed this bear flag here, and then took an entry at 53, just a 53 as it broke down through here, through this level right here. It was a perfect opening range breakdown, and covered some, I think, at 52.77, one of my favorite numbers. Sometimes things bounce there, but this thing just kept going. And I think I covered the rest down around 52.40-ish, 52.50-ish, and it actually came back up, and I played it back over here through the VWAP. It looked like it held here, so I played that through VWAP, and I believe Andrew played it through the VWAP as well. I didn't mention it because Andrew was already all over that one. So yeah, that was the MU trade, and the SQ trade. That was my "you can't keep a good man down" trade. Um, SQ's been pretty hot. It's been on a tear. So when it sells off, I would look for a reversal for it to come back up. Can't keep a good man down. I guess that's we should be saying can't keep a good person down because we can't keep a good woman down either. So there you go. Anyway, you get the drift. So it sold off at the open, and I looked at that as an opportunity to get into this trade. I have some long. I'm just hanging on to some in another account just because it seems to be just continually going up. So I'm consider that a swing trade, I guess. But yeah, it started to look like a bit of a double bottom here. Probably got in a little bit too early because I think I took my entry here around 52 or 69.90, should say, and then it sold off. I was going to keep a tight stop on it, but I also didn't. If it failed this level, I would have bailed on it. But it kind of made a bit of a dip here. I almost pulled the trigger, but then just knowing, I think it was probably going to come back, so I just hung on to it, um, sort of on pins and needles there for a second here. But kind of came down. This was really the double bottom here, but you just never know. And then it pushed back up through VWAP, and I, sold some, 70, 50, and I think it bailed on the rest kind of up here, but then it just kept going. So that was a good trade as well. So pretty happy with my morning. Had two good trades, the MU breakdown, and then back to VWAP, and then also the SQ back to VWAP. Overall, good morning, a good day in the room. Hope everyone else had a good day, and we'll see you tomorrow.